AI is everywhere, which is crazy, and this is no exception. This is the Looki L1, a camera that hangs around your neck and records your day. Not like a GoPro, but more like an assistant that records your day and then gives you a summary of your day at the end of your day. Let's talk about the specs, my experience with the device, and who I think this is for. Big thank you to Looki for sending this out for me to review. Let's get into it. So first off, let's talk about my first impressions with the unboxing, as well as my first day of using this AI assistant. So overall, the unboxing experience was really great. It comes in the box with all of the accessories that you need to get started. Side note, I think it was really cool that Looki included stickers that go on the front of the L1 that have different themes like Christmas and Alien and a couple of other ones. And the charging cable is actually really high quality. It reminds me of the cable that you get when you get an iPhone with that braided cable, and it's really nice. It's just a little bit shorter. It also comes with a lanyard that you can use around your neck, as well as a magnetic attachment that doubles as the clip for you to clip it to your shirt, as well as the way that you charge the L1, which is of course USB Type-C. Looki also sent me out a plastic case that goes around the Looki L1 that also comes with a lanyard and a rubber piece that sticks onto the back of that charging area and that magnetic clip that protects the back of the device. So a couple more important specs about the Looki L1. It is super light and weighs about 32 grams. It also is IP67 water and dust resistant, and it comes in 3 different colors: black, white, and this highlighter green yellow color. It comes with 26 gigabytes of internal storage, and there's cloud storage available within the app of 1 terabyte. The device does clear out every 12 days to be able to free up room within the device so that it can continue to record later. And according to Looki's website, it does shoot in 4K photo and 1080p video. The website also claims that it has a 12-hour long battery life, which in my experience is pretty accurate, but it does depend on how much you use the device and what settings you have it on with the recording durations. Sticking with battery life really quick, this thing charges very fast, from 0 to 100% in about an hour and a half. So I was actually really impressed with how quickly that battery charges. So enough with specs, let's talk about my experience using the Looki L1. So day 1 of using the L1 was just a quick trial run. I played around in the app to see what settings there were and different features and what kind of recording options they had. The app is really good with walking you through setting up the product, and it's actually very user friendly. Now you are able to set up different recording times for the L1. For me, I had to record 9-second clips every 2 minutes, but there's a bunch of other options that you can use, as well as an AI option which will take your surrounding that you have and record what it thinks it should record. They also state that the AI option is the best for battery life. Now, a really cool thing that I found that Looki talks about on their website is the fact that at the end of the day, it turns your day into a comic strip or an illustration. And on day 1, it did an illustration which actually surprised me how quick it came, was the fact that it got me unboxing the product. It got my lights, the table, me, the color on my shirt. I was wearing the same shirt. It didn't get the detail on the shirt, but it got a lot of things accurate with just that little clip of me unboxing it. But as I kept using it, the more accurate it got with my surroundings. For example, for breakfast the next day, I had a blueberry muffin, a cup of coffee, and a bottle of water, and it got everything super accurate. The fact that it knew that I was having a blueberry muffin, the fact that it knew exactly what my mug looked like, which is a 35mm film canister, and how accurate it got it to look, as well as that bottle of water, was crazy to me. And that night for dinner, we had steak, macaroni and cheese, and green beans. And it was super accurate. The steak, the macaroni and cheese, the green beans, the fact that I had 2 bottles of water, and I didn't even remember that my fiance asked me to pass the bottle of A1, and there was a bottle of A1 sauce in the picture. I thought that that was pretty crazy. Now, the L1 doesn't just give you comic strips and illustrations of your day. It also takes all of those clips that it took throughout your day and makes it a vlog, putting it to music, as well as adding some title sequences throughout that video. So at the end of the day, you can sit down and get a highlight reel of your entire day. I was able to watch back my workout from when I went to the gym, and I was able to watch back me writing content for the YouTube channel, all from the eyes of this camera. Another thing that Looki talks about on their website is tailored notifications that go to your phone throughout the day. Now, this is a spec that I didn't necessarily pay too much attention to when I was reading the overview, but I didn't realize it was going to be such a big thing, but it is. On the day that I went to the gym, when I pulled into my house a couple of hours later, I got a notification from the Looki app that said, "Good job hitting the gym early in the morning. Time to hydrate," which is really cool to have a robot on my chest telling me that I need to hydrate and drink some water. And the last feature that Looki talks about that I experienced was the AI assistant that's built into the Looki L1. On the front of the L1 is actually a touch surface, and that touch surface is your access to a built-in AI assistant that you can actually talk to and it will respond. If you press and hold your finger on the touch surface and ask the AI assistant a question like, "What am I looking at?" it will tell you what is in front of the camera almost completely accurately.
In front of you is your studio setup. A large camera on the left, a monitor in the center, another camera on a tripod to the right, and a bright softbox light on the far right.
And because I'm notorious for being really bad at spelling, I used the AI assistant to help me spell some words when I was writing my scripts. The one thing I have to say about the AI assistant is that when you are asking it to spell something, it does spell that thing very fast, and it's almost hard to keep up with. But I do think over time, as the AI learns your habits and gets updated by Looki, that issue might be fixed. So overall, my experience for the past 2 weeks of using the Looki L1 has been pretty good. I was impressed with the features that come with it. I was impressed with how well the AI assistant worked overall, and I was just thoroughly impressed with how far technology has come. Now, if you've been watching the channel for a while now, you would know that I am not that big of a fan of AI, and I've actually been searching for a way that I could use AI in my daily life. And this is a product that I was willing to try out to see if I could incorporate it in my daily life. And I could definitely see situations where I would want to use this. Which brings me to my final topic: who is this product actually made for? Well, first off, I would say if you're a creative like me who gets an idea and by the time they sit down to write down that idea, they forget the idea, I would say this product is pretty good. You don't have to pull your phone out to take a memo or write a note. You can actually press a button on the side of the L1,
Audio recording,
say what your idea is, and then when you go home that night, you can take a look at that clip and remember what that idea is. It's the little things that save you time and help you out in the long run. But who else is this product made for? Well, I could see the L1 being used if you're a business person who sits through meetings all day and doesn't have enough time to write everything down or can't remember everything. The ability to go back into your phone and look at those business meetings that you were in and write down those notes, or remember that you have a coffee meeting with Bill from accounting. I think it would work really well for someone like that. Just keep in mind, a lot of businesses have rules and practices against AI usage and recording meetings. So check with your employer and your business to make sure that you're able to use this before you actually purchase it. And lastly, I would say that this product is good for someone who likes to journal but doesn't have enough time to do it throughout their day or at the end of their day. And they want to have a memory bank of their days and what they've done throughout their week and all of that. You may end up recording something that you forgot even happened, or something meaningful like your kid walking for the first time. Or you watch back your day and remember that you have a baby shower that you have to go to next week and you still have to buy a pack of diapers for a gift. I'm not speaking from experience, I'm just giving an example. As always, guys, let me know in the comment section down below, what do you think about the Looki L1? Do you own it already? And what's your experience with it if you do? Let me know down below. If you guys want to check out the Looki L1 for yourself, the link will be in the description down below. Thank you again to Looki for sending out the Looki L1 for me to test out. If you guys like this video, give it a like. If you really like this video, hit that subscribe button and consider joining the family. I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay classy. Bye. AI is everywhere now. Crazy.